secret behind the success is that visiting the villages. I visited almost all villages, and now hill areas and these forest areas are concerned. Through Padayatra, in this month means next month.
After rain. After rain,
I am going to, by walk, I am going to all places. So many problems are there. Through the forest, it is very difficult for the local people to travel and other things. As far as possible, by compliance to the laws of the land, we will try, and our government also prepared to support.
So these are the areas where Adivasi stays, or
Yes,
how it
yes.
is?
Adivasi visit, I am going for a Padayatra, I am going to start.
Okay.
That will.
Any specific
Governor is
locations you have identified?
Yes, yes, hill areas. 7 or 8 hill areas are
In
there.
South Goa or North Goa?
Both. And my 4 books already I prepared. Islands and trees and Vamana Vrishagala and one more. Mountains also I am going to start. Then these 4 books together will be a clear picture to everybody in the world what is Goa.
There will be some problems of Adivasi people, then of that area.
Definitely I will look into, and a proper decision may be taken by the present government, who are having the mandate of the constitution and people.
Okay.
So we will try for that. But at the same time, I think I was a solicitor in Kerala High Court for some time. I know. So the legal obstacles are there. Through some way or other way we can settle the matter.